everyone, I'm Christie, and in this video, we'll learn about how to pay your employees for your small business. Are you ready? Let's get started. Payroll is the system and process for paying employees. Begin with setting up payroll, forms and taxes, deciding on how much to pay, keeping records, and then calculating and issuing paychecks. To begin, consider the system you will use to pay your employees. Will you process payroll by hand? Will you use a payroll software program? Will you outsource to someone else to manage for you? Once you have decided on your payroll system, familiarize yourself with the legal requirements and setting wages. State law dictates you must pay at least the minimum wage. Minimum wage varies from state to state, and you want to set wages for each job and position of your small business. Now for the paperwork. Tax forms. Once you hire an employee, they will need to complete a W-4 form to properly withhold the correct federal income from their pay. Other forms may also be required, such as a Form I-9. For a complete list of tax forms, please visit the Small Business and Self-Employed Tax Center at irs.gov. As a small business owner, you will report new employees to State Directory within 20 days. Next, determine if you want to pay employees via a paper check, direct deposit, or through payroll software. Direct deposit will be set up through your business account. Employees will need to have a bank account with a routing number. Payroll system is fast and convenient payroll. This includes mobile payment. Issuing a paper check is easy too. It is always a good idea to create a payroll schedule to include time periods, start and end, time cards due date, the pay date, and determine whether it's going to be weekly, biweekly, or monthly, and always make sure to consider any holidays. As your employee works, they will need to track and submit the number of hours they've worked. And as a small business owner, you'll want to establish a time tracking system to maintain payroll hours. Also, maintain legal record keeping requirements is crucial. In preparation for payday, refer to your payroll schedule and add up the time worked, check for mistakes, and transcribe these hours to run the payroll. You'll want to improve it as well, and then make sure you account for any tax deductions. Pay employees via check, direct deposit, pay cards, or mobile wallet. And finally, report and update your records. Ensure you keep up-to-date records and determine what to keep and for how long. For example, retain IRS tax documents for at least 4 years and make sure you understand all tax requirements. Again, visit the Small Business and Self-Employed Tax Center at irs.gov to understand all tax and legal responsibilities. Congratulations! You now know more about how to pay your employees for your small business. Be sure to review the resources here, which features a very thorough and helpful list of sites for you to check out for your small business.